Hi guys, guess what? We went to our local shopping centre, but then we wanted to come to the Parklea Market to have something to eat because my daughter wanted like fish pie. So we're gonna come here and get fish pie, guys. So we're at Parklea Market, as you can see. Parklea Market. So now we're gonna go inside. It's pretty dark inside here, so hope you can see. And we're gonna go and get her fish pie. Hi guys, here at Parklea Market, getting something to eat. We had a Filipino shop called and I got me this food. It's like our chop suey that we get. So chop suey, and then I asked them to half it, and they even have like little chopped up pork. Can you see it? I like how fair it is. They give you this little lemon, I guess you squeeze over it, but because it's not our kind of food, we're just learning, you know. And they gave me a chili, anyway, right? So if they gave a lemon, you must go on top. See? See this little bit of lemon? This squeezed out a lot of juice, so they must have done that trick, put it in the microwave, you know. Anyway, and then my daughter gives me 2 of these like deep fried wonton. Really hot. You're not going to hear me talk. You know why? They have a song in the background. It's going to be copyright. So I'm just going to eat and then I'll have to fix it up when I get home. And my nose is white. Anyway. Wait. Oh, nice. Yeah, bread. Oh. Thank you. Good help.
I got nothing to eat it with.
Yeah, right.
I'll eat it.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
Yeah, it's in the way.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Huh. Where are you looking for? No, because I don't know.
Did they give you one? Or did they...
And this is called,
How many did you get?
I don't know what this is called, but it's a Filipino drink. And it looks lovely. Look at that. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Here, you guys take it first, but we'll taste it together. Oi, yum. Guys, this is yum. You know what it tastes like? That jelly drink we buy from Blacktown. Look at that. Oh, this is lovely. This is so full. And chop suey. It's so good, guys. I like that we found the place. But this used to be this, nah, you watch the Filipinos come and support their people. That's what they're like.
What's this?
So good.
You asked what it was. I thought it was bread. I was like, what is my song bread?
What is this?
Very yummy. And inside here, we have vegetable too long to deep fried wonton. Beautiful. Oh yeah, it did. At the last minute. Come on. Hello. Yes, yeah, starting.
Look. Oh.
Yeah. Nah, never mind. So stubborn, this camera, man, doesn't make a flyer. Oh. Excuse me. Can I have two on this one? This is yummy. What is it? A chili.
Oh my god.
He wants me to eat this chili. He dares me to eat this chili and then die. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Go. What a hero.
What a hero you are. Oh, come on. I want pizza.
Yeah, that one. Thank you. Oh, God.
That's a meat.
Ooh.
I'm hungry. Want some mine?
You know what?
Come on, some
Who
mine.
told me to eat the chili? Excuse me. Oh. Geneva, huh? You should have stopped me.
I told you to not eat the whole meat. What's that?
Okay. Okay. Alright. That was horrible. Don't ever do it again. Maybe. Oh. I can't even talk. Anyway, guys, so I get this other thing from here. And slices of sweet pork and a half-fried egg. I'll pop the egg up. Yum. Okay. Well, you know what? That chili made my nose come down.
Calm down.
Naughty nose. Anyway. Oh.
Oh.
So hot.
I want something mix.
Geneva, can you try to eat everything in front of them?
Okay.
Anyway, guys, this looks good. So you guys got to come down Parklea Market and get you guys some of this. It's just opened this place because it wasn't here before.
What is this? Stop.
That chili is still in my tongue and everything. And if there's a seed between my teeth, and yeah, torture me.
That's tomato ketchup. I don't know what this is.
Oh, this pork, sweet pork, nice.
I know.
Let me just read up. Come on. That chili is making my snotty come down. Ah, not funny. Lovely.
Oh, it's coconut.
My tears are coming down. Maybe that chili was for decoration, eh?
Probably was.
We're gonna have to put the music over this.
Oh, my face.
So nice. You watch another time when we come here, there's going to be a lot of people here. Because they're going to eventually find out about this place and know how lovely the food is. Very good. I'm actually going to be telling you guys that because you guys have to take all these seats. Yeah. Oh. This drink is nice too. I should have got me two. Should have got two.
The rice is dry.
Very nice. I like this.
Do you like the rice?
Get it, eh?
It's dry. What's that?
Yeah, we don't put the heat. It's just stay inside the rice cooker.
Everything else is nice.
Oh, and some sweet.
Oh, that's your food.
Got cabbage too. Lovely. You know there's some sweet veg in it, nice. So they put cabbage, beans, carrot. What about the sauces? I wouldn't mind making one. So lovely. Oh, this is tasty. How dare they get it right? How dare they make it nice and tasty? Nice. Glad I bought it. Hey, I can see chili in there. Get it out of there.
Chili still in your mouth?
This is nice. Let's taste it.
Yeah, I took Uru and KFC to it. Oh, nice. You know, Danny?
No.
Hey,
Hmm?
in Naruto Man on Mida, they should grow this. It's for free. I mean, you grow once a tree, it's up. You don't look after the Uru.
Play my video, please.
Huh?
Play my video, please.
Should we on it?
What you get a tree. You harvest it every year.
How much will they take?
done, man. Oh, have a taste, have a taste. I'm telling you, it's really nice. Oh, taste, nice taste. So guys, if you live near Parklea Market, come down and I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there it is. There's a place up there. They called Kilo Lasa or Whara Lasa or whatever. But it tastes really good. I'm not joking. Look, guys, not bad of a cook. So, I tell you, this flavour is really nice. Okay? I'm not trying to trick you to come down Parklea Market so you can try, come down and try it for yourself and you'll see what I'm talking about. You gotta go like how I do it. And you're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna love it. Hey guys, so come down, Parklea Market, take the pork, have something to eat. See you later.